Hi. Waiting to see who comes to join me. I am so excited today. Ooh, I can't wait to show y'all this palette. I don't want to unbox alone. I want to unbox with you guys. I want to wait. Maybe I'll go ahead and invite a few people. Or maybe I invite myself. How about that? Oh, okay. So I see how it looks. When somebody is on, it tells you how many people are on there. To get it out. And let's see. Maybe I'll end this stream and start over. Um, since it's my first time. Hi, Nanajwa. What's up, girl? I was just about to log off because it's been 5 minutes and nobody was coming. So I was about to log off, but since one person is here, you know, God will save Sodom and Gomorrah if there's just one person. Oops, sorry. So I will do the unboxing if this one person. Totally. You are very important, Miss Chica. All right, tell me where you chatting from if you join me, please. Let's see if I can have two people and then I'll do this unboxing. I just want to I want to share this with y'all. It's a big deal. All right, let me see if anyone else can join us. Hmm. 1 more minute, girl, and we're gonna unbox. Okay. So what you been up to? I'm getting ready for a graduation party, and I figured because before I use the palette, I let's show it to y'all. So what have you been up to? Oli, what you been up to, girl? Ooh, did Jackie Aina get engaged? What is that? Ooh, wait a minute. Girl, the day she said yes, what does she mean? The day she said, or she means she said yes today, or what? Oh my God, that's a beautiful ring. Congratulations, Jackie Aina. Ooh, this video is actually about her. Ooh, Ghana jollof, girl. You know we got the best jollof. My my favorite YouTuber, Taste Pink, she does crochet hairs and stuff like that. And she said she's eating Nigerian jollof. I'm like, girl, Nigerian jollof. Come taste the real deal. Come to Nashville. I'll make you some Ghana jollof. She was cracking up. I'm sorry. I'm like on Instagram halfway. Look at this little girl. So funny. Okay, all right. One person here we are unboxing. Okay, so I got me the ABH and Jackie Aina palette. And this is first impression everything with you. $45. Yes, girl. But shipping is free, so I think it all came up to like 49. So that's pretty cool. Look! Oh my god! It is so cute. Yes, Jackie. I'm so proud of her. Let's see what this is about. Ah, okay. I love that iridescent touch that it has. Like it shifts. It's almost like a green, and then it turns to purple. Has a little pink shift to it too. Cool. Oh my god. Yes, girl. Yes. Can y'all see? Like this is so pretty. I cannot wait. Okay, so I'm going to be swatching with you, and these names are so cute. Zolas. You know that's what she says. She says Zolas. This one is called Zolas. Okay, so this first one here is Soleil. I'm going to swatch that right here. Oh my goodness, look at that pigmentation. And then, so that was this Soleil. And next is this one called Zam. You know what that means. It doesn't mean Zam. You know what they're trying to say. Okay. And that's that. That's Zam. Next one is this Supreme. Okay. Supreme. It's pretty pigmented, guys. Man, I suck at swatching. I tell you, I'm about to do better. And Wigglies, that's what like I've heard her say so many times. I can't wait to try it. This one, Wigglies. It's beautiful. Ooh, Wigglies. Oh yes, girl. Okay, and then Pinker. So Pinker is like berry. It's like a mauve berry color. Pinker. Pinker. Right here. And then Shookington. This is Shookington. That's purple. Hey, hey, Nana Efia Echa. What's up, girl? That is Shookington. And then, ooh, big wig. This is like a matte. Well, I don't like showing y'all all my business. Here, let's do this. This, okay. That's big wig. All right. Big wig. Ooh, nice. Okay. Trust issues. So Jackie said she named this trust issues because it looks white, but then when you swatch it, it's kind of giving you a different color. Oh yeah, totally. Look, it's white, right? But then when you swatch it, it has a different color. So to her, that's like, hey, I'm trusting you to do one thing, you're doing something else. Trust issues. I love it. Let me tell you, ABH has some nice, high quality eyeshadows. Okay, so that was trust issues. This one is next. This one is called Zwallas. That's Zwallas. That is pretty. That's Zwallas. And edges. Can we talk about edges? Edges, Jackie, I tell you. Edges. Can y'all see? So that's edges. Okay. The next one is credit. It's like a dark brown color. I like that. Oof. Can you say pigmented? Yes, girl. Mm-hmm. That one right there. Dark brown. Sponsored. Sponsored is this one. Whoa. Where am I gonna put it? Let's put it here. Oh my God. These colors are heavenly. Sponsored. Okay. Next thing is lituation. This one. Lituation. I'm going to put that here. That's pretty also, but I'm not too crazy about that. All right. Ooh, these are cute. And the last one, this one, ginger. Ginger. I'll make a killer ginger drink, man. Oh, girl, you are chatting from Maryland. Yay! And if yeah, okay, why don't you tell your friends to log on, join us, so we can kind of do this makeup together. Anywho, listen, I came on here because I saw FedEx come in, bring this thing, and I was like, I am going live. I've never gone live before. I'm gonna go live and show you guys these swatches, like live swatches, to show y'all how these colors really are. So, yep, I'm glad y'all joined me. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. But yes, girl. All right. This is the Jackie Aina and ABH Palette, and it goes for $45. Free shipping if you're interested. Thank you for joining me for this live unboxing and live swatching of this palette. I am going to beat my face now. I'm going to be using this palette, and I'll record it for y'all. So the next video, you can get to see it. Hey, Truth Real! Yay! Hi, girl. Hey. I hope you got to watch the video that I made for you, the whole foundation and makeup application and everything. I hope you got to watch that because I saw your request on it. Okay, so we just basically finished swatching the Anastasia Beverly Hills with Jackie Aina collaboration. We just finished swatching them and they're really pretty. Here they are. And I was just about to kind of beat my face. I don't know if I should do my face with y'all online or I should just end this and then do my face. What you guys want? Do you want me to you just want to watch me doing my face? I'm gonna wipe this off. You just want to watch me apply my shadow and figure this thing out, or do y'all want me to just make a video and post for you? Reply and tell me you want to stay and watch me put my makeup, or you want to watch a video later. Let me know. Who's that? Just rolling around. I have, and I will definitely give you my results. I try to stay like that. Aw. Okay. All right. I will stay and do my eyes with you guys then. So I do remember that Jackie had put Pinker, and then she had put Wigglies. Um, I'm going to just wing this. All right. I'm going to go in with this color here, which is Pinker. And I'm just going to put that in my crease. Pack it in here. A little bit goes a long way. Today's Saturday. What's everybody doing? Like hanging out? Yeah, everybody wants to watch me apply my makeup, so I guess that's what I'm doing for you guys. I've never gone live before. I was like, let me just give this thing a try, and here I am. I'm probably goofing off, but you know, you learn as you go. And invite your friends. Tell your friends to join us. It would be nice to have more than one person or two people on here. These colors are really pigmented for sure. My goodness. Very nice. So I'm not going to add any more. Now that I've applied it how I want it, I'm just kind of going to feather the ends up and let it just blend out. You see what I'm doing? So let it blend out like that. It is so intimidating knowing that you're alive and everybody's watching you. Like, I can't edit this. These colors are so pretty. Oh my god, I really hope you can see this. Let me log on too and see what you guys are seeing. Um I'm going on YouTube also, so I can kind of see what I'm doing. Ooh, loud, 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 loud. Okay. So, all right, I'm watching myself now. So I can kind of see what you guys can see. I'm just making sure that the colors are really showing. Okay, I'm good. I think I like the way that's popping, but it's really, really bright. I don't think y'all seeing that. Let's move on. I'm going to take another eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna try to apply this Wigglies. I'm like really excited to try Wigglies. Oh my gosh, can y'all see this? Wow. Pigmentation AF. This is so pretty. Okay, Jackie. That's really nice. Oh my goodness, I love it. I'm glad I bought this eyeshadow palette. Like, first of all, the fact that she's from Nigeria, the fact that she's black, the fact that she's a hard worker, she's been doing this for 10 years. I wanted to support her totally, and she's a YouTuber. But not just that, these things are good. They're a high quality, of course, ABH. This is nice. So I have like a hooded lid, and a hooded lid means that your skin fold, this falls over your eye. So sometimes it's a little hard for me to um, put a shadow. So I'm just gonna put it all over here. This is so cute. And I just basically put the leftover. Don't do that. I just kind of lost my live footage. Okay. Can y'all hear me? I'm mumbling. This is so pretty. I love this color. Okay. I kind of want this a little darker, so I'm gonna go into credit. I'm gonna go into credit and see if I can darken this a little bit. There we go. Did anybody else come? I saw this thing moving. Yeah, looks gorgeous already and so pretty with a green blouse. Thank you, 2 3 y'all. Girl, that name is so long. I feel like it's a tongue twister. 2 3 y'all. 2 3 y'all. This is so cute. Simplicity is elegant. That's one thing you have to remember sometimes. So when you're applying and you feel like you're doing too much, it's probably time to stop. And I'm starting to feel like I'm getting there. All right, so I also remember she put a little pinker. So I'm gonna go, no, not pinker, I'm sorry, Supreme. So I'm gonna go into a little, no, not Supreme. You know what I'm gonna do? I am going to put Supreme as my brow bone color here. I've never done that. Let's see what that does. Like I usually don't put color on my brow bone. If I don't like it, I just put a lighter color there, like no big deal. Okay. What y'all think? Is this working? All right. So the only other thing that I'm going to do is take pinker. Look, I'm using the same brush, by the way. I just rub it off. Hold on, guys. All right, pinker. And between pinker and this thing here, I'm gonna put it here. Touch of that in here. Ew. Now I want to use one of these shiny ones, but I don't know which one. Let's see. Do I use this? Trust issues. That's gold. Or Zorless. So the Zorless is like kind of very gold, and the trust issues has like some green pigments in it. Like Zorless is really gold, and this one has some green pigments in it. Zam. Let's see. Do I use? Ooh, I feel like Zam will be better. Okay, I'm gonna go for Zam, and I'm just gonna use my finger. Now I'm gonna put it in the middle right here. Oh my goodness, that's cute, guys. Look, back to Zam. That's cute. So to blend this out and make it look decent, like you see, this one is bigger than this one. I'm just gonna go back into the Wiggly, um, and just kind of clean around it a little bit. So it blends nicely. You see that it's not so sharp. And then I'm gonna go to back to I was gonna go to credit, the dark color, but I almost want to try lituation. This is lituation. No, nope, it's gonna ruin it. I'm gonna go into credit and then just blend this and make it look decent. Okay, I think I like. You like my hair? Hold on, I gotta read y'all's comments. Looks gorgeous already. Thank you. It's like saying I'm two through y'all. I'm two through y'all. Two through y'all. Got it. That's how you say your name. Okay, got it. Your hair, is it crochet or wig, girl? I am working on this video. I can't wait to show y'all, but it's crochet. It's crochet, girl. I love it. I bought this hair on Amazon. It's Ocean Wave, but it's Ocean Wave by a different company. And yep, I'll put it down so y'all can see in a second. Do me a favor. We are so close to 500 subs. Um, Share any of my videos with your friends or tell your friends to subscribe. I need just 8 people to hit 500. So 8 people, you can do it. 3 people each, and we're there. Okay. All right. So next thing that I'm going to do is put my lashes, and this is a I Envy 3D lashes. I think it's real cute. Look at that. Very pretty. So before I put lash, I make sure that it fits my eye. Sometimes it's too big or too long. So, but I hustle with lashes. So today y'all get to see me hustling with lashes. I think it will fit. But all the same, I wish I had a scissors. I usually do. Excuse me. I usually have scissors, so I want to cut it a little bit. All right. Eyelash glue. So I like to put I like to finish my eye, and then I do my face, and then I come back to my eye. That's what I usually do. And while it's waiting to get a little tacky, I'll just like drop it in my brushes. Ooh, don't go nowhere. Hold on. Let me do this with two hands. See? I just let it stay there and get tacky. Okay, doke. Let's see if this one fits. Yo, these eyeshadows are so cute. Like, she really put some work into it. Any night shift workers here? Is it just me? If you don't mind putting your business out there, tell me what you do. But if you do, don't say it. Yes, yes, the hair is beautiful. Um, I'll let it down so y'all can see when I'm done with my face. It's really cute. What you like to see on YouTube? Like, do y'all have any inputs on how to do good on YouTube? I love it. I love creating, but then I feel like um either the algorithm or whatever, like it's not reaching people. So if you have any ideas, let me know. I'm telling y'all, today you get to see me hustle with lashes. For real. You don't get to see the struggle when I edit my videos. Mm, see, I got glue on my skin. I have to go back and fix all this. Woo! Heavy. Can you say heavy? Maybe open my eyes. Where is the other lash? Ah! What happened to it? It was drying right here. Oh no! Did the fan blow it away? This is like totally embarrassing. I can't find my lashes. I just left it in here. It's gone. Guys, I mean, it's gone. For real. Okay, hold on. Let me see if I can somehow Oh my goodness. How is this even possible? Like, okay, hold on. I'm gonna take these brushes out. I found it. Found it. I don't know where it went, but it just, girl, let me tell you, I'm about to lose it.